Hey bro, I noticed you've been kind of happier lately. Like, did you get yourself a girlfriend or something? Yeah, I actually did start dating someone, but we're keeping it on the low, because like people be tripping about our relationship. Just ignore them, bro. They're haters, bro. Like, you're a grown man. It's none of their business who you date, That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, it's none of their business. Like, so what if she's like 15, Like, 15, bro? Are you crazy, bro? Bro, it's not that big of a deal, bro. Not a big deal, bro. You're 30, bro. Nah, bro. I'm calling the cops, bro. Nah, bro. You're going to jail. You're weird, bro. Like, nah. Is it weird? Or is it true love? You might take one look at us and see an age gap of numbers, but I see beyond that to something that you could never understand. You might have set this social limitations on yourself, but I have no limits. I push past my limits every single day. And if this world wants to call me a monster or a predator, then so be it. But I'll be damned if I live this life letting this world tell me who I can't love. Whoa. 911, we got him.